In this video, we will show you how to manage the File Manager in FlyWP's control panel to organize and handle your website files effortlessly. First, log into your FlyWP dashboard, then choose the server and site to start working on. Once you are in, look for the File Manager. It's right here, just waiting for you to click on it. Now, need to create a new folder or file? Click the Create button to get started. Here, you can create a new folder, add a new file, or upload files directly from your device. To make a new folder, click New Folder. Type the folder name. Hit Create Folder and you're all set. Now, do you want to refresh your files? Just click the button and you're done. If you need to rename, delete, or move a file, click on those nifty 3 dots. Everything you need is at your fingertips. And there you have it. You're all set to manage your files like a pro in FlyWP. Happy file managing, and see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.